Hello and welcome to ADev tutorials. In the last video, we saw how to install Python on our PC. Today we are going to see how to run Python code. To run a Python code, we basically need either a text editor or an IDE. What's the difference between IDE and a text editor? A text editor is simply a software which comes with the features like syntax highlighting and code formatting. But an IDE is integrated development environment, which comes with features such as debugging, testing, execution of code, code formatting, syntax highlighting, and also auto completion. I have listed some of the text editors which I usually use. There can be other IDs which you might be using, so please comment below. Number 5 on my list is Vim Text Editor. It is free and open source text editor which is available on most popular platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, and Unix. Many programmers prefer to use Vim, but I feel it is not a beginners friendly as it has a steep learning curve to start using Vim. It has many extensions and plugins, and also it has a support for many programming language. You can check out Vim by downloading it from their official website vim.org. Number 4 on my list is Atom Text Editor. It is free and open source text editor available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It is developed by GitHub and hence it has inbuilt support for Git version control. There are many plugins and themes available and it is highly customizable text editor. You can check out Atom by downloading it from their official website atom.io. Number 3 on my list is Sublime Text Editor. It is lightweight and it is snappy text editor. It also has Python API built-in feature to download pretty much all packages out there. It has lots of features, but it takes lots of time to set up and get the most out of it. You can check out Sublime Text Editor by downloading it from their official website sublimetext.com. Number 2 on my list is Pycharm. As the name suggests, it is more focused on Python development. Many professional developers use Pycharm for heavy projects. It has inbuilt support for Python package installer and virtual environments. It has inbuilt support for most popular version control systems. The reason it's on the number 2 in my list is because it is a quite heavy software and it takes lots of resources on our PC. It has a free community version and also a paid professional version. I will drop a link in the description so you can download it and check it out. Number 1 on my list is Visual Studio Code. It is free, open source and cross-platform text editor. It has many features like IntelliSense for syntax highlighting and auto completion. It has a debug mode. It has a built-in support for Git and it has extensions for its customization. I prefer using VS Code because it is quite user friendly. You can download it and check it out. I will drop a link in the description. Jupyter is free and open source interactive editor which has the features to display complex equation charts and graphs which make it more preferred for data scientists to work with data analysis and data visualization. Spider is free and open source scientific IDE for Python, which is designed for scientists, engineers, and data analysts. It has the unique features of advanced editing, analysis, debugging, and it has beautiful visualization capabilities of a scientific package. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. If you use any other IDEs, please comment below. Thank you.